Welcome everybody. This is a new recipe which I created for this video, and I'm looking forward to show you minced meat with potatoes in a casserole. So it's overbaked with cheese. It's a very tasty recipe, so I'm looking forward to show you how it's gonna be done. So lean back and enjoy. We start by putting some oil and onions into the pan and stir fry them and then I put some veggie minced meat into the pan and slice it, as you can see. Also stir fry it there. We take the mushrooms, we quarter them and we put them also into the pan. Mix everything together, this is important, so everything gets crispy on the outside. And then I take my nicer dicer tool, which is very practical. So I take the potatoes, slice them in quarters, as you can see. And this is a good tool when you have many veggies which you want to slice at once. For example, for salads. I will put the link below. So the potatoes get easy sliced and we put them into the pan and stir fry everything so they get crispy on the outside also. Then I take the garlic and I sliced the garlic before. So now I will also put it into the pan and fry it with the potatoes and the meat. Next, we are going to spice everything. 1 tablespoon of salt, some cayenne pepper, this is very healthy by the way. Also about 1 tablespoon, depends on how spicy you like it. Then I take some sweet paprika, about 1 tablespoon. And I found some jalapenos in the fridge, so I like it spicy. I slice them and put them also into the pan. Depends on how spicy you like things. You can let the jalapenos out if you want. Next we make a little hole there in between the potatoes and the meat and put in some tomato paste, which is very tasty, it gives us the umami flavor. And we need to fry it also in the pan. So we add the veggies, the tomatoes and the sliced bell pepper. It's everything in red, as you can see, so it gives a good contrast to the food. And we stir fry everything together and put on the lid. Then we put in the olives. So I take some veggie stock, which I have made myself and frozen, and I put over some hot boiling water, about 500 milliliter. I will link the recipe for you. And then I didn't have enough stock, so I took some from the jar. Then we mix it all briefly. And we have some veggie cream, which we also put in there to mix it. About 200 milliliter, 150 to 200 milliliter. Then mix it all together. And at the end I sliced some garlic clove and we will now put it also in there. I love garlic, so and then we take the casserole dish and we put all the veggies and veggie meat in the casserole dish which has about 20 to 30 centimeter. You will see everything in the recipe I link below. Spread everything in the casserole dish. So next we put the sauce into the casserole dish and spread it all over And I just recognized that the sauce is a bit thin, so I put in some starch with the rest of the liquid. You can do this also, you can also put it right into the sauce when you are preparing it. Now the video has a strange form spinning around, but it's okay, you can see it. And then I just add it to the sauce and spread it all over the casserole dish. This way the sauce gets a little bit more creamy, and you know, we like it creamy. So next we take some aluminum foil and put it all over. So it cooks in the oven for the first 20 minutes at about 190 to 200 Celsius and degrees, I mean. Yes, and about 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes we put the foil down. So now I decided to make the grated cheese, to put it all over. So it's an easy way to take some chunks and just take the food processor and do it there. So this way you have always grated cheese at hand and can spread it all over your dishes. I also use some Parmesan cheese, so you know, from the freezer you can also grate it and freeze it. So now the casserole dish is cooking in the oven. So I put over the cheeses and some thyme also, fresh thyme. And now we bake it for another 10 minutes till the cheese is crispy. At the end we finish with some fresh thyme leaves and some olive oil, you know, virgin olive oil. And then I can just say thanks for watching, and bon appetit everybody, and follow us for more nice recipes. This is my first YouTube video, so thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.